Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm just going to continue unboxing some more of my Greenlight Collectibles diecast cars and vehicles. I've got about 5 in today's unboxing video. I've got a couple of Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series. I've got a Rocky 1973 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. I've got the A-Team BA's 1983 GMC Vandura. Then I've got a Greenlight Collectibles GL Muscle series. I've got a 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS454. Then I've got a Postal Service series, part of Greenlight Collectibles. I've got a USPS LLV with a mailbox. Hope you guys can see it. Yep. And the last one I have is a Canada Post, or Postes Canada in French. Canada Post LLV with mailbox. All right, let's start off with the Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series. I've got this Cadillac Sedan DeVille 1973, as seen in the movie Rocky. I was gonna say Adrian in Rocky's voice, but I might skip that. That's the movie synopsis. Not really. They just got a few screenshots. What a great movie, guys. 1976. I'm glad Sylvester Stallone won an Oscar for it. All right, let's take a closer look. And as always, if anyone watches my unboxing videos, I put them on the turntable for a 360 view. All right, that's the car, guys. It's got a beautiful chocolate brown color scheme with a white rooftop. Looking beautiful, being a Greenlight release. I love the little license plate on that one. Plenty of chrome accents, painted taillights, license plate on the back as well, painted headlights, chrome grille. I don't think the bonnet opens up. No, it doesn't. All right, not complaining. Okay, I've parked the car in the parking lot. I'm looking at the next Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series release. Is this beautiful 1983 GMC Vandura. Was spotted in the movie The A-Team. I like the detailing and the decals, guys, and the beautiful license plate. That's why I had to get it. That's the van, guys. GMC Vandura. Painted headlights. It's got a bit of a grille in the front, or a bull bar. Blinkers, license plate. Lights on the roof. Beautiful shade on the windscreen. Looks awesome, guys. Pretty heavy for a Greenlight, because they always have a metal chassis, so it's just absolutely stunning for me, guys. Okay, let's look at the next one. Greenlight Collectibles GL Muscle. I've got this one for a very good price when I was diecast hunting and shopping in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia 2 years ago. And that's the series at the back, guys, if anyone's interested. Cool. Look at this beautiful, magnificent car, guys. Chrome grille. It's missing a license plate, but I can always add one from my collection. Painted headlights. Got a beautiful olive green color scheme with a black rooftop. I love the rims on this one, being one of those 70s models or 80s models. No license plate on the back as well, but I can always stick him up. Quite nice, guys. And this bonnet looks a bit tempting. Oh yes. Oh, look at that, guys. They've actually put a bit of color on the engine now, orange and black. Hope you guys can see that. All right, cool. All right, guys, let's look at the postal vans. I've got this beautiful United States Postal Service USPS LLV with a mailbox. I quite like these USPS vans. They look pretty cute, and I think they should be like twin mode of driving, both left hand and right hand steering wheels. Looks pretty good, guys. I'm just in two minds, but if anyone's interested, that's the back of it. Apparently, there's more than 240 years of USPS history. I'm not surprised. And it started off in 1775, 1775, like a year before the US independence. Good piece of history, guys. All right, guys, give it up to the United States Postal Service. That's one cute looking van, guys. I'm really loving it. Side mirrors, reverse mirror. Beautifully detailed back with the eagle or the falcon logo. Quite nice, guys. And that's a little mailbox that came along with it, with a little opening and a cavity to drop your mail. I quite like Greenlight Collectibles releases, guys. They do an awesome job with the detailing and the exact replication process as well. All right, guys, last one in today's video is another postal van, but this one's a Canada Post. I'm pretty bad with French, but I would only assume or guess they would say Postes Canada. From anywhere to anyone. I'm gonna try anyway. De partout jusqu'à vous. And this one comes with a little mailbox as well. I quite like the red and white color scheme to go with the Canadian flag. Well, I guess being America's neighbor, they've got a lot of similarities. Cool. Look at this cutie, guys. And look at the beautiful decals. Canada Post in English and French. Side mirrors, beautifully painted red and white color scheme. And guys, I failed to notice in the previous van, the actual shutter opens up at the back. So there you go. And it actually slides all the way in and then shuts as well. Pretty neat, Greenlight. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. This is all the cars we are to look at today in today's unboxing video. We started off with the 1973 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, a 1983 GMC Vandura, a 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, a USPS LLV with a mailbox, a Canada Post LLV with a mailbox. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all. And I will catch you in my next unboxing video. I'm gonna probably look at one of my last remaining majorette cars, and then I'll come back to Greenlight. Thanks, guys.